Hey guys, Grandma sent you mystery snacks.
Cool, I wonder what it is. I don't know, but mine feels kind of squishy. Whoa, gummy sushi? This is awesome. Cool, and I got
A gummy fox and a gummy owl.
Oh, wait a second. These gummies are actually for the twins. What? Did she forget about us and not send us anything? Hey, calm down. She always gets you something. It looks like she sent you, these Rice Krispie treats. Really? Rice Krispie treats? I'd rather have the gummies. Emma, be happy with what you have. You got 2 Rice Krispie treats. Jackson's only getting 1. Haha, good, because he only deserves 1. Here you go, Jackson. What?